Welcome to the ultimate guide to making money with e-commerce. In today's digital age, e-commerce has become a popular way for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses and earn a full-time income. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to launch your own e-commerce business and start making money online. What is e-commerce? E-commerce refers to any commercial transaction that takes place online. It involves buying and selling products or services over the internet. E-commerce can take many forms, including online marketplaces, independent online stores, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing. Finding your niche. Before you start your e-commerce business, you need to find a niche. A niche is a specific category or product that you want to sell. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about and have knowledge of. Setting up your online store. Once you have your niche, it's time to set up your online store. You can either build your own website or use a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Your website should be easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and have a simple checkout process. Product sourcing. Product sourcing is the process of finding products to sell in your online store. There are several ways to source products, including dropshipping, wholesale, and private labeling. Dropshipping is a popular option because it requires no upfront investment and allows you to sell a variety of products. Marketing your e-commerce store. Marketing is crucial for the success of your e-commerce business. You can use various strategies like social media, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to promote your store. Try different strategies to see which ones work best for your business. Fulfillment and shipping. After setting up your store and marketing it, the next step is fulfillment and shipping. You can either handle fulfillment and shipping yourself or use a third-party fulfillment service. Make sure to set up an efficient system to ensure that your customers receive their orders on time. Conclusion. E-commerce has tremendous potential for entrepreneurs looking to start their own business and make money online. With the right strategies and tools, anyone can launch a profitable e-commerce business. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and tips to get started.